Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix File Explorer left side menu or navigation pane missing in File Explorer Windows 10. Click View, Navigation pane. Click Navigation pane. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scan now. dism.exe space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health. Type exit from command prompt. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.